Welcome to the GreenWAVES staking bot tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how the first Wallet Connect free staking system works. Let's get right into it. After you start the bot, you will see the main menu, which contains all the important information for you. Let's start the staking. Click on the stake button to start and copy your wallet address, which you will use to stake with. You won't have to connect your wallet or share any private keys with us, making this the safest and easiest way of staking. Now let's copy the deposit address and send the amount of tokens you want to stake and send it to the deposit address. After you have done that, copy the transaction signature and send it back to the bot. And that's it. You successfully staked your tokens in the pool. You will see your staked tokens, APR, share in the pool, and estimate tokens with rewards. Your 2-week staking has begun. This is a hybrid staking pool, meaning you can access your tokens earlier than the lock is finished, but you won't be punished by receiving 5% less of your staked tokens for doing so. If you still wish to withdraw earlier, you will see how much you lose. If your staking time has finished, you can withdraw right away. And that's it. The staking rewards are filled up with profits the GreenWAVES ecosystem makes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.